Okay, so this is the last little video that I'm going to be making, and I'm going to explain it more. I'm not actually going to bring out the protractor, but I'm going to explain what I did with the protractor since you guys are already experts. So I picked a different situation. This situation was somewhere much warmer where I wouldn't really want any direct sunlight to come through the windows. In other words, some of it was kind of more tropical as opposed to temperate. And I want the natural lighting, so I want windows, but I just don't want direct sunlight because that heats up my floor and then my whole house. So I have the same window that I had before. It's 4 feet high and it's got 3 feet above and below it. But I want an overhang that's really gonna take the lowest transit in the sky. So in December, the transit actually comes in at 45 degrees. Hits the ground at 45 degrees here. So this little angle right here is 45. That's what this is. This is obviously 90, which means this other side has to also be 45. So I measured this with my little protractor to be 45, and then I, just like I did before, and I connected the lines, and I made this line come all the way out. So this line is the sun in December, okay? And I measured it from the bottom of the window so that the overhang would come out and it would block all of the sun from getting in on the transit, even when the transit's the lowest in the sky, which is in December. I picked a place in Mexico. So I just have to build my overhang out anywhere to this line. So I could build it out here if I wanted. I could extend my roof up here, anywhere. As long as I meet my overhang somewhere on this line, then I'll block in all of the sunlight when it's at its lowest transit in December. So I hope that makes sense. But so it's a little bit simpler than if you're trying to get sun in, because you only have to do one line. You have to do the line to block it from the bottom of the window, if that makes sense.